Here we are in beautiful Orlando, Florida. We're starting a remodel job down on International Drive, right off of I-4. There's I-4. There's beautiful International Drive. Getting ready to see the sun come up over the building. This is going to be called Hot Brass of Orlando, I guess. Gun range.